It's Accountech Bytes, back once again to round up the world of accounting technology with me, Tom Herbert. If you're watching on the socials, please remember to like, subscribe or follow. But let's dive headlong into the news now, and we'll start with a little thing called the investment section now. First up, mid-market cloud tool iplicit has become the latest to secure private equity investment in the form of £25 million from One Peak. So congratulations to the iplicit team, who will be using that to accelerate and scale their product's reach and growth. As I said back in November, the cloud accounting action is very much in the mid-market. It's not to say that the small business cloud accounting market is saturated or commoditized. There's still some interesting stuff going on there, but as I've hopefully indicated with my herd of wildebeest there, the stampede to the mid-market has been interesting to watch. What's next? So London-based spend management platform Vertis have bagged $50 million. Must confess, not one I was particularly familiar with, but they seem to use AI to optimize areas where businesses spend and recommend what to spend on next. Next up, and UK platform Aslan has roared into the picture with $5 million in seed investment for a product that appears to be a way for employees to access their earned wages earlier and earn cash back. So we'll move on to a piece written by the mighty Molly McFarland for Accounting Web. ACCA members are reporting difficulties renewing their practice certificates following the introduction of a new membership web portal, leaving some with expired certificates. In a piece published this morning, Companies House has revealed a bit more information about their new agent filing system. So, for firms filing information with Companies House on behalf of clients, you'll have to register on a new system as an authorized corporate service provider and provide ID verification for yourself and your clients. Now, early access to that service is opening 25th of February, and it'll run concurrently with the current web filing service until a date as yet to be announced. If it arrives on the anticipated date of spring 2026, that may bring it alongside the mandation of making tax digital for income tax, due to come in April 2026. So batten down those hatches. What's next? And another week, another UK council battling with a botched digital transformation programme. The latest in the register is West Sussex County Council, who are set to use up to £25 million from the sale of capital assets to fund an Oracle-based transformation project. And a bit of people news to round off the news section, and Sridhar Vembu has stepped down as CEO of the Zoho Group, and instead will be taking on the role of Chief Scientist. He's also revealed that co-founder Shailesh Kumar Devi will step into the role of CEO. And the time has come to pull back the curtain on the speakers at the Festival of Accounting and Bookkeeping. Here they are. So we have brilliant bookkeepers, CFO champions, tech titans, and of course, where would we be without our friends at HMRC? So you can view a full lineup for the programme and get your tickets at fab.uk. I'll see you there. Let's get on to some new stuff now, and it's time to ring the AI gong. AI bookkeeping and accounting automation platform Briefcase has introduced AI-powered line item extraction. Co-founder Ruben Steenkamp has made a video about it. Love the Tesco receipt line. Sticking with AI, and Sage has announced that they are expanding access to its generative AI assistant, Sage Copilot, in the UK. So Copilot will be generally available to UK small businesses starting in March. They're obviously confident they've got over the hiccup from last week. See last week's video for more details, and are pushing forward with it. What's next? Oh, we haven't checked in on the Silverfin changelog for a while, so the Post bookkeeping tool has a couple of January updates, so you can send messages in bulk via its insights function so you can send messages to multiple client files simultaneously. And second and finally, workflow audit logs now have their own dedicated view separate from regular communications. Here are the buttons. Let's hop across the pond now, and CPA Practice Advisor reports that QuickBooks parent company Intuit has begun testing a new QuickBooks interface that combines the QuickBooks and MailChimp platform experience. So MailChimp, the email marketing platform that Intuit bought for $12 billion back in 2021. Let's get on to some insight and analysis now. And the latest No Accounting for Taste podcast has landed. I joined Accounting Web's esteemed editors Richard Hattersley and Matthew Ward to discuss HMRC's customer service problems, the journey of a young CFO, and the 2025 software market for large firms. You can listen to that wherever you get your podcasts. What's next? And Forbes reports that the University of Arizona has lost track of $250 million in cash. Quite a remarkable story, and their reporter digs into how that was even possible. It kind of seems to be down to a lack of centralized financial reporting and monitoring, kind of backed up by a pretty poor budgeting model, but we never really get a resolution. It is quite an eye-opening story nonetheless. And a bit of a thought experiment for my latest opinion piece, based on a rather flimsy concept that AI scientists create general artificial intelligence and decide to focus their efforts on the accountancy market. But it's always good to push things to their limits, as it were. But don't worry, I know there's been a lot of chat about AI, particularly with the Chinese DeepSeek model, but this Reddit user asked whether AI was going to steal their job as an accountant, and it said no need to worry. It's here to assist you. So you heard it from the horse's mouth, nothing to worry about. And that's your lot for today. Thank you very much for watching. As ever, to support the videos, please like, subscribe, or follow. I'll be back next week with more news. I'll see you then. Bye for now.